Okay, I turned off the web camera now. I was able to knock that out. Maybe I'll cut part of this video out today. A lot of boringness going on right now, right? Struggling up here. Hopefully that's good. So if I don't put the other video up of me in between the middle, this is my entry point right here. It was second trade, number 2, and we reached the 1p mark right here at 88. Next target down is 73, then 57. So that'll be a 3p down move right there, right in front of the S1 line. I'm still looking for 56.15, although I would take 56.52 in a heartbeat on the way down and through and up, or 57, 3p move. That'd be a win for me. So anything underneath that's definitely a win. That's what I'm hunting for. Or, you know, maybe today the farthest we go is down 2, and then we only can get a 1p target. Been in it quite a long time now. All right, let's protect break even now. Still last trade on day. If it takes me out and then goes down, so be it. Didn't work out. It takes me out and goes up, so be it. It didn't work out. I don't see the long at all right now. The only thing I see is more downward pressure. So if I'm wrong, let's be wrong little. Take a small break-even trade, be down like -5, -6, and be done on the day. Let's not get over anxious to the trade. I'm sitting in a better position right now because I've got a positive balance now. So protecting the positive balance and looking for trades that make sense to me. I like seeing blue a lot better than red is what it gets at. trading right on top of that 200 bar on the 15-minute chart. See if it'll break down here. Lock in an extra 2. See the pivot acting as natural resistance and support. Hopefully we're done with pivot. We go down and visit S1 now. $2P down again is 56.73. Then 57. Taking off a long time. Going to move to the Gann 45-degree angle now. It'll be 56.52. We'll actually we'll take our 3P target now at 56.57 if we can get it. Hold on here. Let me look. Let me think here for a second. Yeah, you know what? That'll be a good day one. Breaking through there. If it breaks through there, I think we get an extra 10 ticks. So we'll hold at the 4P target, which would be 42. So we'll go 47, but we'll protect the 59 break. We'll protect the low. Gets underneath that 57 mark. Um, we'll try to get something underneath here. Try to see if we can get this thing to come on down here. Let's call it 49. See if it breaks that low by 10 ticks. Of course, if it breaks that low, where does it stop? Nobody knows. Might not just matter at all, though, if it goes all the way back. Yeah, let's hold that for now, and we'll debate about it a little bit later. If it makes a difference. Last trade of session here. Win or lose. Alright, so I'll pause here because it's doing absolutely nothing. And if it breaks under here and goes down, I'll open up again. If it goes up here and takes me out, I'll let you know. Okay, I decided to move to 03 is the stop. If it comes up to 01, 5700, 01, 02, 03, probably runs 03. But just in case, I just want to give myself at least 3 ticks above this blue line right here, which is currently trading at 56.99. So that, that gives me enough space to feel okay about it. Obviously, I don't want it to go back to breakpoint again. It goes up above that 57.05. I don't know where it goes. Let's see. It's what so it runs me out, or it goes to it goes down here. I'll unpause the video once it does what it's going to do. Okay, shot up to 57.01 and then came off of it. That's what I was afraid of. Let's see if I guessed right here today. just got lucky. Every so often, a squirrel gets the nut. Is the squirrel get the nut today, or is it really going to go up? I don't know, but we're going to come out at 57.03. At least I am, and I'm going to call it a trade session because I don't like the long at all, and I think the short's better, but I just don't know how far. Once it shoots up and shows a next, if it goes up again, I'm afraid the market go anywhere it wants to go up and go down and stay at pivot the whole day. Literally today, the market has been up 1p and down 1p, 1p on the profit. That's it. So basically, it's been up about 15 ticks and it's been down 15 ticks. We go down and make a new low, we'll protect and get a couple ticks of profit so we have a winning trading day. I mean, if it goes underneath, I should say the swing right here goes underneath that 56.83, we'll protect a couple ticks of profit. Definitely protect the around the pivot. All right, I'm gonna pause until it either runs me out or if it breaks down here, I'll let you know. Very close to knocking me out here. Figured I'd let it go. (10:05 a.m. East Central Time). Take a break-even trade. We'll take -1. Where is that break point? Take -4. I'll go 57.08. -5 is 09. You know what? Let's do that. So be it. Go down $100 today. Give back a little bit of a gain. Just try to stay in this trade if it wants to hang out. And the reason I'm doing this is that I see a GAN signal right now that might break it down. There's 1, 2, 3, and that could be 4 coming down right now. And it's really struggling to go up. Look, it took 9, 10, 8 minutes to go this way, go down. So it took 8 minutes to go down, and then it's taken 9:17 to here. Was that? That's almost. So 9:17 to right here to go up, breaking down again, and hopefully we go lower than this. All right, I'm pausing till it decides what to do here. All right, who knows? So let's measure here real quick. So this could be considered all of 1, and then 2, and 3. There might be one more move up and then a breakdown. Here's 1. This looks like 2 to me. This could be 3. There might be one more up and then they come down. We'll see. All right, let's see what happens here. We might break here, we might not. I don't know. All right, I want to definitely protect break even now. I don't want to see it go back. If it's going to break, it's going to happen now. And it might break up, it might break down. I don't know which way. Protect my trade and just let it do what it's going to do for the rest of the day and just call it a Monday. Looking at our 15-minute chart, what I like about the short trade right now is what I see on the 15-minute chart right now. Look at this. We've got a close underneath. We have a doji bar right here, and then we have a close underneath this the 200 bar line. So this is a good chance that this is the best chance we're going to have to break right here. And if not, then who knows where it goes to the upside. It could easily run up to the 32 line or higher. It could easily run up that way. So we got to recognize that as of right now, all we have is almost a double bottom. The other side of that is you can see that we're trying to break through here, but who knows which way it wants to go right now. Maybe the squirrel will get the nut after all today. Looks like a market's getting ready to break down here. At least a little bit. Whether we get underneath the low is to be seen. Trend lines are made to be broken. Hopefully we'll break through this stupid trend line that's trying to protect this trade. Once again, 2P down is 56.73. how you doing?
God, what you doing?
Sitting here on the trade.
Oh.
What you doing?
I'm gonna fold some clothes and just think about running out for a little bit. What are you doing?
I'm in a trade. I just said that. Didn't I just say that? I think I just said that. I'm not trying to be smart ass. I'm just saying, didn't I just say I was in a trade?
Yeah, you did. I'm sorry.
Oh.
I just had it. Sorry. I apologize.
That's
Is it
fine.
your first trade of the day or?
No, I don't know. We'll see. I'm not going anywhere though.
Okay, dude. Just ask a question. What is that behind? Oh, it's a tent.
What tent?
That little green thing.
Oh yeah, something like that.
I figured what it was. I was like, what's the green thing? I just was asking if it was like the trade from the morning. Is it up or down?
Want it to go down. It's trying to. Looking good right now.
Cool. Chilly. It's chilly.
Chilly Willy, huh?
Yeah. Where's a bear?
Where's a bear?
He had no hair.
Alright, I gotta pay attention.
Yeah. Door shut open.
You can keep it open. I'm in a winning trade, so. Well, I haven't won the day yet, but if it breaks here, we're good. Talking to my wife. Looks like it's heavy, guys. Hopefully, we break. Right back up it goes. Look at that manipulation. Manipulation. Right back to pivot, huh? Protect 5703. Basically protecting this high right there. It's a long thing here. We could easily see. If it does break, it's going to break hard. Let's go to 5621. 5P down is 5626. We will look for 5627. Looking for the GAN 90-degree angle here. If we get paid to stay in this trade here. All right, breaking down to settlement. There's a couple high red bars finally showing up here. They usually come in fives. There's two. 73, by the way, is 2p down. There's two. All right, we don't want to see pivot now. Let's make it a positive day no matter how we look at it. Let's make sure we get paid to trade. Make it a winning day no matter what. I do not want to see pivot again the rest of the day. So if there's any power to the short, now's the time. $18.87, $17.49. You combine the two of those together and you would have, let's see what that would come in at. $36.36. So let's use that and call its highest red bar volume now. $36.36 coming in at 10.31. So this might be all of the short available, and we're protecting the pivot line. I definitely don't want to see it move back to pivot now. We will collect 10 ticks at 56.94, and then that'll make +4 on the day if it runs us out. Alright, hold on here. This might be all she wrote to the short here. Let's be sensible. Let's look at that level and give it 5 ticks to 87. We'll move to 87. $59 low. If we can push through that, we got lots of down to it. Dang. We're going to go after the GAN number of 55.75 just in case we fall hard. We'll move off of it quickly, but if we do go, I want to catch it. We call it 55.79. 75 plus 5, 85, 87. 55.87. So if it does fall hard, I want to catch it. On a side note, those that don't know, when I was right up here, it ran to 14 and I re-entered my positional trade at this level because I still believed in the short side, going to 52. I don't know. I still believe in it. It just took me up by 1 tick up here. So I just waited for it and then I re-entered. $3P down, by the way, once again, is, there we go. What's that bar? 27.60. Okay, so we made GAN 45-degree angle at 52 right there. I'll just use that for the 45. And 3P is 57. So let's do something here. Let me blow up my chart quickly and screen print this son of a gun. Pull it off the screen. And I need to grab my entry point, my short entry. Alright, so I'm looking for the GAN 137.5 degree angle. I'm looking for hopefully a continued break. And that's 3P right there. And we're going to protect 61. Call it 63. 56.63 now. I'm looking at this level right here. I'm watching all these red bars kicking in. So if it doesn't continue to keep breaking, I want to get out. What I want is basically to run our GAN angle quickly. Next GAN down. I need to move this off the screen. Next GAN down is 15, 56.15. 56.42 is 4P down. Let me screenshot this quickly. Protecting S1 line. Going to protect 43. I'm watching all these red bars here. We might be done for a while. Rather just get my profits. I got a 60 ticks here, 62 roughly. I got about $600 less the loser of what, 6 ticks? I think we come all the way back to S1 and then we'll continue the break, but this is a good win for me right now. Go one more off of that. Went to 42 and stopped, just in case. Alright, I'm out. Alright, it's not bad. Plus 55 on the trading day today. And that puts the account balance at 961.60 after 2 days of trading. Obviously, I still feel as though we're going to see $52.50. $52 to $50 a barrel. And therefore, I kept my swing trade on. It did take me out at the 14 level, but I re-entered. And I'll just protect the hell, I have frickin' idea what to do here sometimes. I obviously don't want to see it go back up, so it goes back up again from here, then that short trade is over, I guess. I mean, not here personally, but I mean back to pivots, what I mean. I'm going to protect, let me pull over the longer term charts and then decide where I want to be exiting on the positional trade. Alright, we're going to use this blue line right there. I don't want to see this market get above that blue line. And I put this mark on the charts for a reason. So let's do 10 ticks above 56.93, and we'll use 57.03 now as our stop. I do not want to see the market get back to 57.03. So that's right around there. So whoops, that's not what I want. I don't want to see the market get up back to 57.03. That's where I'm going to be. Let's see here. Yeah, that works. 57.03. I don't want to see the market get back all the way there. That forces it to get above this black line here in the 200 bar. That would negate, I think, any long. Well, the breakpoint's 02 right there. Let's go 57.07. Yeah, that's it. I'm going to put that small order in 57.07 on the short. And my re-enter mark, by the way, was the same entry point that I had on this trade, which was short it. I went short on, so we'll take a small hit if it goes back. 57.04 was my enter point at 9.11. And it did take me out. I got a little bit of profit on off of that trade. Figure out all that later. I don't really worry about positional swing trades until they're done. We re-entered at 57.04. And we have a stop on the positional swing trade at 57.07. All right. As far as my trading today goes, I pulled out plus 55 ticks, and my FTP account after 2 trading days is at 961.60. It looks like 961.60. That's not bad for 2 days. I finally got some shorts going my way. I told you I'm a better short than long trader, so it makes sense that I would catch these shorts. And I guess I need to take one more screenshot of my trade exit on the short trade here. That looks like I caught that. I just don't know how much we're going to go up, but I wanted this. I wanted that profit. Right now, that's what I saw right there, that area. So let's get this trade exit out. Let me screen print this. Wow, it's moving hard. So trade exit at 56.43, which ends up being 4p, by the way. Or am I getting all that stuff? Well, obviously off my spreadsheet. Right there. 56.42. It looked like the move was done. You can put a fork in it. That's why I moved quickly down, took the profit while it was there, and allowed myself as best as I could the most ticks that I could on that trade. So that's that. So 56.49. So the only thing I need now, wow, went all the way back to settlement. Holy moly. What a manipulated bullshit market. Alright, that's going to do it for this session. So I'm going to stop the recording here. Have a great rest of your trading day.